If you're looking for a very efficient and economic way to mount your own tires, Harbor Freight, Nomar, Viair, get it. So I got this Harbor Freight tire changing stand here, and I just took it out of the box. And there's plenty of videos already about this tire changer, but they all kind of, I don't know, in my perspective, they make it not look that great. It makes it look kind of rickety and just janky, and I mean, it works, obviously, but didn't look super efficient, I should say. So I decided, what the hell, it's only 34 bucks, I'm gonna try it. But I took the time to mount it on the floor, plus the Nomar tire changer. It makes it a piece of cake. So we're going to take care of my wife's car now, and we're gonna switch out for some snow tires. So let's get that started. Makes a difference if I move this. Gotta do. This is only the second time I've even touched this thing. We're learning too. Doesn't get much easier than that. And like, it has this handle to help pull, but you don't even need that, kind of. It's so easy. It just goes on itself. No need for extra tools or nothing. Piece of cake. Well, there you have it. Harbor Freight tire changer, right out of the box. Works pretty good. Got 4 tires off, 4 snow tires on. Time to drive in the snow, right? Yep, still come down. It's good timing. Thanks.